This is Sarah, and she managed a busy electronics retail store. Around 6 months ago, she noticed that customers frequently requested long phone charging cables. She compared low-quality phone charging cables with durable, long-lasting options. Sarah selected a reliable 10-foot USB lightning cable from a trusted supplier, Rite Distribution LLC. She stocked high-quality cables that reduced customer complaints and returns. Sarah satisfied buyers who wanted extra-long charging convenience at home and work. She increased repeat sales by offering dependable 10-foot USB lightning cables in her store. If you need something similar, visit ritedistribution.com.